Liam, do you want some yogurt?
Let him stand.
Maybe he's full.
Ask him if he wants to sit.
Sit. Sit. Liam, you want yogurt? Sit. You want yogurt? No? Okay, I'm gonna eat the yogurt.
Don't make him upset.
Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down.
Liam.
Get your feet off it. You want yogurt?
Liam.
You want yogurt? Get your feet off the table. You want yogurt? Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Liam, sit down. Come on, dude. You want yogurt? Sit down. Yeah, sit down. Sit down. Atticus. Sit down. Come on, sit down.
Liam.
You want
Kiss my
yogurt?
feet.
You want yogurt? Sit down. Sit down.
Liam.
Sit down.
Liam.
No, you're good.
Nope. You can't get down.
Oh. Pick him up. Pick up, Lee. Oh, he got his yogurt. Yay. Oh, come on, get that now.